Wreckfest, but they're just crazy. Here come our crazy people. Alright, so we have Robert Taylor out here in the 420. Giraffe riding passenger. Adam Perkins is out here. I know Danny Gill and Steve Clark will be out here. We so far with 6 people, we have 6 insane people. Ben is coming over to me, hold on. Jay Ferrer coming around first. Let's see what he can do. Alright, small or big, he has a choice. And here we go, full set to the small one. There we go. Hey, your blinker's on. Ford Focus on its way across now. Somebody's going to need to put an insurance claim in about that back bumper. Smaller, big, he's going big! Oh! I think that thing can go again. Here we go. There we go, nice one from the Focus. There comes one of the Dutch Grand Caravan. Adam Perkins in normal Adam Perkins fashion has the battery jumper on. Oh, there goes the Dodge Grand Caravan. I know what he's doing. The Focus is going again. Let's see if he does what Ben just told me he's going to do. He's going to roll it! He's going to roll it! No, he doesn't! He got 2 wheels! He's rolling now. Whoa! Big air! Here we go. Nice start. Focus is gonna go again. Focus is gonna go for it again. He's gonna roll this time. Oh, he does it again! He just can't flip that thing. He didn't blow the left front tire out. This one's gonna be spectacular!
That's the mini right there!
Here we go!
That's nothing.
Man, that show off, but he's still rolling! Ford Focus going again! He's good, ladies and gentlemen.
There he is.
Give him a big old round of applause when he gets out of the car. That's Hudson Speedway. Taylor on his way.
I guarantee you it's still not.
Alright, we're going over it backwards. Little one over it backwards. The J turn and that one.
Of course that's it. There's two cars over here.
The company truck's on its way. I don't know, somebody's gonna need to tell the company that that truck's not coming home tonight.
That's not going to. There's no way he's in the company truck.
Alright, here comes the F-150 stopping, slowing down.
That's something. He drives around.
Still have a car over here, that's why. So we're gonna back him up a little bit, let him get a little bit of momentum.
Is that a little bit?
Here goes the F-150.
That's not making it home.
Alright, here comes the F-150. Full send! Oh! There's nothing wrong with that right front suspension.
Run, Perkins, run. You gotta try.
Alright, here comes another one. Over the ramp! Nice! He's good! Here they go! And they both still rolling out! He spits them out!
He's still going. We still got the truck out there. Hasn't even come out yet.
Coming for the pit lane!
Hang on, last minute.
Here comes the 609! He wants to get a little bit of big mo on his side. Robert Taylor's gonna go again. The old green and purple. 2-for-1 special here at the Hudson Speedway. Robert Taylor gonna hit the big one. Oh, buddy! Oh, buddy! These things are still rolling.
He wants to go again.
We'll keep going until they can't keep going anymore. Now it's sideways!
Woo!
Robert Taylor gonna get another bit of momentum here. Get it spun around. Here comes the big old pick-em-up truck. Oh, two-wheeled it. The F-150 going in, so is the minivan. That Subaru sounds like a Subaru. I think the F-150 is broken in half.
Broken. Ah! Broken.
Here goes the 609. Over the road, gonna try to get two wheels.
He's going with the big one. That's soon he's done. On the big one.
All right, 609, gonna try it again.
He's going with the small one.
They're Bert tries the charm to flip it over.
It's a big one.
No, it's not! I think he's being thrown out of the truck. We're going to try it again. 609 coming around. See if he can get flipped over this time, if that's what he's attempting again.
That thing is bringing another ramp higher now.
And there it is! He's on his side! Let him hear you, ladies and gentlemen! Gonna be about 5 days worth of cleanup after this event's over. All right, fans, so Grayson Racing so kindly donated that car to us. It was not voluntarily, it's dead. So, it's a sacrifice. Hudson Speedway. Would you like to see us jump the Grayson Racing mobile?
Oh yeah.
Alright, we're gonna line it up right about there. I don't know who is about to try to jump that, but this is going to be great. We told you last year when we started doing these, get your cell phones out, because this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for you to see something brand new. When we jump the Grayson Race Mobile, get your cell phones out, videotape that, because you're going to want to remember it. Here we go! He's lining up, and right over it! Alright, we didn't try that again. Here we go. A little forward than good. Let's see if we can do it. He's lining up, dead on. Right over it. Woo. General Manager John S. Burnett, and every employee here, we want to thank you for coming out, spending your hard-earned money with us on Memorial Day. I've been your host, the Admiral Nick Adams, and my co-host, Jordan Jenkins. Don't forget, we're back in action next Sunday, right here in the Family Fun Track. And it's not a goodbye, it's a see you later, folks. Speed safely, everyone. Thank you. Florida. Wreckfest is broken, so I figured why not come here and do it here. I enjoy that. Real life Wreckfest is what we're going to call this from now on. Robert, come talk to me and tell the fans why you're so crazy.
Because I like to have fun and enjoy it for a show for everybody.
Which one? You're just jumping one today?
Well, we're going to start with that, and then anything else running, I'll jump in and finish that out too.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, Robert Tetler.
Woo!
Oh, our next driver here. Go ahead and introduce yourself. Tell everybody why you're so crazy.
Oh, I'm Danny Gill. I was coming here as a kid watching this. I always wanted to be part of it. And now we try to supply some cars and come out and put on the best show we can and be part of it.
Ladies and gentlemen, give him a standing ovation. Danny Gill!
Yeah!
He's done some crazy things here. All right, our next, introduce yourself here today.
Aaron Kenny, I'm the one that usually barrel roll, trying to crush myself with you guys. Hope it's worth the this here. Keep trying to grow it. I don't know what we can do today to top the last one, but we'll get something done for you guys.
Give applause! All right, coming back here. Next driver, we'll pick you because you're not talking to nobody. And introduce you to the fans. Tell them why you're out here today.
I'm just out here to put on a show for you guys. We don't put on a show and you guys don't come back, so that's the only reason I'm here.
All right, what's your name?
John Bucknam.
John Bucknam, let's give him a round of applause. All right. Go ahead and introduce yourself to the fans. Tell them why you're out here today.
Just out here to have some fun. Maybe flip a car. My name's Joe Angie.
Joe Angie, ladies and gentlemen, give a round of applause. All right, this is he gets to really need it. We don't really need to talk. We already know he's, but ladies, yeah. Oh, I didn't throw in. Oh, I didn't. Adam, come over here. Go through over. Adam Perkins.
Woo!
Adam, why are you out here today?
We're just out here to see what we can do. Never been in an airplane, so I'm going to try it as a man.
Do it for Dale, right?
Absolutely. Sending all our condolences to the Bush family. This is for them.
Woo!
Ladies and gentlemen, give a round of applause. My microphone doesn't